So hello everyone, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. I am also fine. So today we will try to provide a clear, distinguish and definition of the multiplexer, demultiplexer and decoder, so that we will never confuse in these three basic electronic devices which are very useful in making of any circuit. Okay, so let's start with the multiplexer. So what is a multiplexer? A multiplexer, by word we can see, it is a digital device which select one of the input among the multiple inputs, one of the input among multiple inputs as output according to the select lines. Okay, so suppose select lines, on the select lines we are giving 0 0, so the 0th input will be selected as output. Suppose the select lines are 1 1, so this 1th input is selected as output of the multiplexer. So, and what is the demultiplexer? A demultiplexer is just, you can think like we are just flipping this multiplexer. Okay, like inside the circuit are not like we are just flipping the multiplexer, but we can think like we just flipped the multiplexer and we get the design of the demultiplexer. Okay, so in this demultiplexer we are giving only single input. Always we will give a single input, and that input will be on the one of multiple output pins according to the select lines. For example, if I am giving 0 0 here, so this input will be on, suppose this is the 0th line, so this input I will be on the 0th line. Suppose the select lines are 1 0, then this input I will be on 1 0 line. Suppose this is the 1 0 line, the input I will be here. So this is a demultiplexer which select one of the pin among multiple output pins for the input I according to these select lines. And finally there is a decoder. Decoder is just a demultiplexer. We are making this input as 1. So you can see there is not any input pin I here. Okay, so we made this input as 1, and that one will be provided on the one of the multiple output pin according to the select lines. Suppose this on the select lines we are giving 1 0, then the 1 we will get at this pin, this 1 0 pin we will get logical high. Okay, so this is a decoder, and here sometimes the select lines behave like input, so this can be circuit design like a diagram of a decoder. Okay, so here we can see all these three diagrams. Select lines are everywhere. Select lines are everywhere. In the multiplexer we can remember by like multiple input and single output. Select lines according to select lines. In the demultiplexer we can see like multi-word is after sometimes. So there is not multiple input, multiple outputs are there. And the decoder we can remember by like just making the input as 1 on the demultiplexer, and we are getting this decoder. So I tried to provide these tricks and this definition. If you like my effort, you can support. Thank you so much.